At the hair salon waiting and prepped to get my hair done for my birthday this weekend. One thing about me, I hate the hair salon. I hate it. It gives me anxiety. I hate the waiting around. Cause like I'm such like a go 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 person. It's never on time ever, and that drives me crazy. Alrighty. So I forgot to film the final product, but my girl Tiara did her thing. I'm absolutely in love with it. So follow her if you're in LA, the beauty freak. She is absolutely amazing. Love her, been going to her for years. Thank you guys for watching. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. I love being on this journey with you guys. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye. I can't do